I didn't think he was gonna drop that he's fucking Bodie from Point Break.
All right. Peace. Good?
Yep, we're good.
All right, let's go. This is next level right here. Man. Oh, it's over. This is the new generation of real estate agents. This is your office right here. Content, marketing. This is unparalleled to what everyone else is doing right there. All right. 350. Oh man, I love this office.
And that's why I'm saying I don't know if I like the name Chicken Farm.
Chicken Farm, Project Chicken Farm. Done. So we have a few projects coming our way. Lennox is giving us so much content to create, so stay tuned for that.
What's the last line? Hi, Roland Osage with EXP. We are back in the Gale Ranch neighborhood of San Ramon.
Yeah, let's do that.
Trails and a public park directly across the street.
Yeah, so we just finished up the AVID agent visual inspection disclosure. It just goes over kind of the final, it's one of the last steps of the closing process. Just checking out any imperfections, any last minute dings to the walls, kind of get the last feel of what the home is gonna be transferred over to the buyer. So we've actually got the buyer at the property now with his architect and the pool guy, trying to figure out what they're gonna do. They're most likely tearing down a majority of this and just building out an incredible property. So it's gonna be a good day.
What's up? That's pretty. That's the first one I haven't heard.
For real?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So I'm down with that.
Does she? Hey, I'm good though. I'm good. No, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm not gonna mess around. Kind of what I recommend for the staging it, but it should be shown as kind of like a family type of option room as a bedroom as well, because you get the full bath and you get the walk-in bed, walk-in closet. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, just a quick walkthrough of 3224 Spicewood in San Ramon's Gale Ranch. We're just prepping it. The handyman comes in first, try to fix whatever issues, lights, some cracks, and then we're going to start the process with the video marketing. So we got to put this baby on the market.
It's probably working.
Hello?
What's up, Erwin?
What's up, Savano? How you doing?
Doing good. Hey, I just want to let you know that we closed up on your deal. It's already done deal.
I saw.
Are you happy?
I'm happy that's done, but I'll be happy once we get the next house.
Yeah. Congratulations on the sale of your home.
Oh, thank you.
Another happy client.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the sun was red.
Looked like Mars, huh?
Yeah.
Trippy.
Well, everybody was calling it Armageddon.
Crap. Was it much more than that?
About $2.5 million.
Buyers on the table as well.
Yeah. Hi.
I didn't think you'd have a problem with that. And then,
4. Full 4 or full UR?
Just the number 4.
here you go. Here you
And
go.
a TAR.
Right there, 4 par.
And then that one.
Darn. Did you see? That is
It's a good ladder.
Make them bigger, smaller, yeah, great.
It collapses this way. And it's solid.
Yeah.